Hi, welcome to Zoke. In this video, I'm showing you how to make multiple programs on the Arduino. When we use the Arduino, oftentimes we don't want it to just do one thing. We want it to program multiple different scenarios. I'll show you how to do that. Come take a look on how we build it, and then we'll take a look at the code. Let's go. All right, to make the Arduino multiple programs, I've set up 4 LEDs with resistors running to the power rail, and then a jumper wire running to ground on the Arduino. From there, all we need is 4 different pins, and this specific one I'm running from the anode on pins 3, pin 6, pin 8, and pin 11. What we've got is 4 different pins, 4 different circuits, all running the ground. In this code, I've made 4 different variables, or declared 4 different variables, naming them blue left center, blue right center, and blue right. Then I've declared all of them as outputs. And then in the loop section, I've put the programs I want to run. But I've created 3 programs. I've created a Night Rider program, a program called Not Flashing, and a flashing program. Within those, I create now a new void loop. This is program 1. And within that, I can build my code. And what it allows me to do is make multiple programs, but then in my void loop, this is actually what's running. I can put what I want to run. If I only wanted it to run this flashing program, then it would only run that, and I wouldn't have to worry about deleting all this. So I could build multiple scenarios, but then choose which ones to run in my void loop. You also see that we've used for loops, and that's just saying how many times I want it to run this particular program. In this flashing program, I've made it kind of bounce around when you watch the flashing LEDs. The not flashing is basically turning everything off. You can see that there, they're all set to low. And then the Night Rider one is kind of that back and forth that you see the lights turn on. It's turning one on, delaying for 80 milliseconds, so very minimal amount of time. And then turning another one next to it on while also simultaneously turning the one off that was just on. And it goes through that cycle there, as you see. But it's only going to run what's in this for loop. If I deleted the Night Rider, the not flashing, it would just run the flashing the entire time.